It's on the back. You got to sit in the center of the ring.
Yeah, don't let him get
No problem. Listen to this, Clay. All right, listen to this. He knows you took him down, so right now they're probably thinking uppercut or exactly. You're a veteran. This kid's too young to fight with you, okay? Stay smart, stay on that jab, keep feigning, okay? When you're moving forward, when you double up, triple up that jab, guess what he does? This is his head. I don't want you to swing so wide with that right hand, okay? Just nice and relaxed down the middle, no problem. Double jab, down the middle, back to the jab if he pulls out.
You can't settle like you got to get up, right?